Today I want to show you how to quickly hide and unhide rows and columns, and there will be a bit of problem with unhiding columns. So to hide rows, we have to just select them and then Ctrl 9, and to unhide them we have select those rows, or can select a bit more rows and Ctrl Shift 9, and we unhide those rows. To hide columns, we just select columns and Ctrl 0, and to unhide columns we should press Ctrl Shift 0, but it seems that this shortcut isn't working. So what can we do? We can, on the Home tab, find the Format command, and in here we have Hide and Unhide options, and we can unhide columns. And here we can see the shortcut I tried to use, Ctrl Shift parenthesis or Ctrl Shift 0, and it's not working. But we can add this command by right clicking it to add it to Quick Access Toolbar, and I actually already add this command. So in my Excel, this icon is unhide columns, so I can press this icon, this command, in the Quick Access Toolbar, or I can press Alt, and I can see that pressing 7 means I will unhide those columns. So I just press Alt 7 quickly and I unhide columns. We can also select columns, go to Data tab, group our columns, and then just pressing minus plus we can unhide and hide those columns quickly.